Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix iPhone not receiving verification text. If you are also facing such type of issue, verification text not receiving on your iPhone, then here are the fixes. And the first one is establish a strong network connection. Enable flight mode in your iPhone and wait 2 to 3 seconds and again turn off flight mode. It will establish a strong network connections in your iPhone. And check you are still not receiving verification text in your iPhone, then go to the next fixes. Swipe down and tap on focus. Here you will find the option do not disturb. Tap on it. Tap on settings and make sure that do not disturb mode is not enabled in your system. If you found it in enabled mode, then turn off the toggle button and disable do not disturb mode. The next fixes is tap on settings of your iPhone, tap on cellular or data. Here turn off cellular data and again after some times turn on cellular data. The one more workaround, tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and tap on general settings. Here tap on software update and install latest iOS update available in your system. If you found any, simply download and install it in your system. Update your iOS. The next one is go to App Store. Here tap on your profile icon. Here scroll down and tap on update all. If you are facing in verification text not receiving for any particular app, then update the app through App Store. The next one is again tap on settings. Here scroll down, tap on general settings. Here scroll down and at the bottom of the page you will find the option transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. Here again tap on reset. Here tap on reset network settings. Unlock your iPhone with Face ID or passcode and tap on reset again. Your problem should definitely be resolved. That's all.